Close the door. 1.
Did you just yell at me to close the door? Whatever happened to, "Hi honey, I'm glad you're home"?
You don't want to mess with me today? Sure, have a drink. Why not drink a case? That's all you ever do. You drink that crap, and go off into your own little world. You never care how I am. Just drink, drink, drink.
Okay, I won't have a drink. Let's talk. Tell me how your day was.
It was fine till you walked in the door.
My dear Karen, you think I do not love you? Do you think I go to work every day because I enjoy it? Do you think I allow you to stay home because I want you to feel trapped? Do you think I make sure we have a good roof over our head and food to eat and other little goodies because I do not care about you? If that's what you think, all I can tell you is your thinking is off just a bit, and you really need to talk to someone like a psychological counselor to get your facts straight up. That I'm saying anything bad but just a thought.
Oh, I see. I need a shrink. And you're Mr. Perfect, I suppose. You have no idea what I go through all day every day.
Well, my dear, why don't you tell me? Maybe I can make things easier for you. I didn't realize how difficult things met before you.
I do a lot. Let me ask you a question. Is your life insurance policy still good? Last I remember it was for $1 million.
Of course it's the same. God forbid anything should happen to me. I want to make sure you're taken care of. More proof I love you, my dear. See how beautiful you look when you smile.
I am so sorry I attacked you right when you walked in the door. You know, this TV has been stuck on this channel all day. Maybe you can fix it. In the meantime, why don't I fix both of us a drink?
Now you are talking. Of course. Let me look at this TV. I will fix it. There. It was just stuck on a channel. All you have to do is go into the TV settings / channel selection view / and allow TV to find channel selection / and hit OK. Just in case you ever have that problem again.
Oh Mark. You're so smart and sexy. My man. Thank you for fixing the TV. Let me answer my phone. Yes, come in 1 hour. I'll go to the store.
Who was that?
Oh, that was my friend Mary. She asked me to give her a ride to the store. I'll only be an hour. Why don't you get a nice hot shower and wait for me in bed for a big surprise?
Wow. I'm already surprised. Say hi to your friend for me and I'll see you when you get back. Be safe.
Okay then. See you in a few.
You forgot to close the door. Something strange about this. No. I couldn't think like that. I'll just take me a nice long hot shower. I'm not going to be so quick to jump in bed. I think I'll leave Mr. Cat by the window for a few seconds and see if something happens. Oh my! I can't believe Karen tried to have me killed. First I'm going to change. Then give her a surprise.